What's up, y'all? Welcome to day 90 on the path to $30,000 a month. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has been supporting me for the last month. If you are new here and you don't know what's going on, basically I have gotten sued over the last month and a half. I didn't know. So I'm currently fighting a case, which is not going in my favor, unfortunately, even with the attorneys that I got. You know, it's been a little tough, but I appreciate everyone being here and backing me up and supporting me. So I just want to say thank you for that. And I want to do an update on business. I'm trying to figure out what to do next and how to expand larger. And also, you know, trying out some possible new hobbies as well. I'm a creator, okay? If I'm completely honest with you, I'm not a good business person. And yes, that is part of an excuse, right? Because we can always get better. I'm not going to say that I can't get better at becoming a business person, but naturally, I'm a creator. I can create really good ideas and good products, like the mug bow. That's doing really well. Again, thankfully, it's going back up. If you see my analytics at the end of the video, which you'll see at the end of the video, you can see my sales starting to go back up. And that's because I created a product that I knew people would like, and it worked out, luckily, first try, which is rare. But if you have any tips for me into this next stage of my career as a creator, if there's any ideas out there, like I've been thinking about learning how to do no-code AI applications because I come up with really good ideas, and if I just turn those into apps, you know, that could also be something viable as well. So I don't want to just jump ship, but just coming up with some possible new hobbies in the meantime that I could maybe start enjoying and see where it goes. So I don't know. Just want to give an update on everything because I don't talk a lot in my videos as of late. Just kind of haven't wanted to be honest, and got nothing good to say. And if I don't have anything good to say, I don't want to say it. I know it sounds negative and sad, but it's true. I'd rather just have you guys enjoy watching me make my products and then show you how much money I made at the end of the video, and that's that. So things will get better, of course. Things are getting better, so that's great. So it's just like this next pivot point where I want to go from here. So thank you all for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day till I hit $30,000 a month, which we're not really sure when it's going to happen. So hope you understand, just with everything going on. So thank you very much. Let's get to the video, and I will show you at the end of the video how much money we made yesterday. So I'll see you soon. All right, y'all, so on eBay, we made $32.86 yesterday. We made $307.36 yesterday on Amazon. And then total was $340. So we are now at a total of $15,723. Okay, the map is, or the graph is showing that it is going down, but I can tell you that things are turning for the better. I do have more orders coming in from the mug boats. There are mug boats coming into the warehouse right now, so I am working on that. But like I said, everybody, I am trying to pivot here. I am trying to figure out what I need to do, and hopefully I can get my money soon so I can start investing into other things. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month, and from there we aren't really sure. I'm not going to stop. I'm definitely going to do something. So I hope to see you all tomorrow for day 91. Have a great rest of your Saturday. I'll see you all tomorrow.